Imagine all of the tails in the world. Maybe you have favorite animals. Maybe you'll see some of those today. This is Sound Stories, Tales and Tales, and I'm Jeff Holland, Sonic Artist. I play anything you can shake, rattle, scrape, hit, strike, bang, roll. I want you to use your imagination. Almost every animal has a tail. Some are curly. Some have feathers. What's that, Shumba? Oh, he's wondering what kind of tails you guys have. What do you mean you don't have a tail? Oh, see if you can find something around your house make a tail whip. Now, Shumba wrote a list of questions, and he was really interested in finding out some of the things about other animals' tails. And this is how we'll create our sound stories.